Hey, hello everyone. In this video, I'll be showing you how to convert from float to string data type in Python. So let's get started. So first, let me declare a float variable, okay? So f equal to 12.3 be my float variable, and let me just print type of f, okay? Saving and running it. So I'll be getting this of the type class float, that is well and good. And let me declare a string variable, okay? Let sd be my string data type, okay? Something like that, equal to, and here we will be using the inbuilt str function, okay? Str, just open circular bracket and just put the float variable name, which is f in my case, okay? That's it. So this sd variable will have the float value converted to string, okay? So instead of printing the type of float, I will print sd, and let me just copy this fully, and let me also print the variable itself. Okay, saving it, and now if I just run it now, so I'll be getting it is of the type class string, and 12.3 the value remains the same, but it has been now converted to string data type. So that's it for this video, and I hope you would have found this video useful. I've also done many other videos in Python, C, C++, Java, SQL queries, so do check them. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.